My Poppy japping in all chat. Beautiful start. Absolutely magnificent. Take this cannon. Sadly got hit by that, but it's chill. Don't really have mana to E here, realistically. So I'll just pick Q. Nice. We have built a really good lead here. It's a little bit sad he takes it, but no worries. We get our Berks at least. This isn't super ideal in this type of lane, but we will accept. We know Rakan is coming from mid. This wave is really good for us. Can't do much about the wave, sadly. Would love to push that in. The one saving grace kind of is that it's so fucking massive it will kill the entire wave, but obviously I would have loved to collect that entire wave. You really can't take another? Bro, for sure could have tanked another, by the way. Like, for sure. Oh, you're supposed to try to dodge. I can't. Okay. Fuck, I needed to hit that. Fuck it, I'll buy a dagger. I wanna go Hurricane 30 either way. I know, it's so sad. We are stomping so hard in bot in reality. Holy fuck, it's huge. That's fucking massive. Actually, maybe can win. It's really important that I take this wolf camp, because then I can get enough gold to recall on this wave and go to Herald, or to Drake, I mean. Really good. Not really fucking good. We win this Drake. We actually need to come back. big! Is that a random hit Jinx W into win game angle? Fuck, that's so bad, bro. How do we ever live a Herald? Or Elder, I mean. Can this guy please just randomly steal? Do we have that in us? Like, how chill would that be? Apparently not. I guess we can kinda cancel bases here. Let's fucking go!